If you want to prevent sharing additional information with business partners on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to go in the settings so you can turn it off in just a few seconds. This is a simple privacy change, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over how your account information is shared. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom of that menu, click on More. This opens up the additional account options and settings area. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account controls, security options, privacy settings, and data-related preferences. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains the options that control what information is shared, how your activity is used, and which privacy features are active on your account. Now scroll through the privacy options until you find data sharing with business partners. Click on that setting to open the page that controls this specific data sharing option. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Allow additional information sharing with business partners. To stop this, simply toggle it off. Once it's turned off, X will stop sharing that additional information with business partners going forward. That's it. You've now changed the setting and improved your privacy on X. If you were following along, take a second to double check that the toggle is off so you know the setting was saved correctly. If this video was useful, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more short and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.